that I suggest sometimes is that if you are an employee, if you are your own business owner, if you're self-employed, and you feel like, you know what, money hasn't been really coming in the way, in the frequency that I've wanted it to. You want to get, so wealth is a consciousness. Like there's a consciousness of wealth, just like there's a poverty consciousness, which is why some people can have money, but they are terrified all the time because they have money, but they have a poverty consciousness. So they cannot enjoy it. They have to hold on to it. They feel very scared about it. They feel like it could go, and they feel like they're like, you know, a moment away from being homeless. And it's really, truly that fear for them. And then there's some people that have a wealth consciousness that wouldn't have maybe as much as that person, but they feel really free and abundant around money. So there's the consciousness part, and then there's the habit part. So one of the things I say is wealth is a consciousness and money is a habit. And what I mean by that is sometimes what we want to do is get in the habit of money flowing to us, which means that sometimes we get a little bit, you know, really looking at it like, I need to sell this for X amount, like this 10,000 program, that's what I need to be selling. But maybe there's a way that there's $100 thing that you could sell. Maybe there's a $10 thing that you could sell. And it's not about the money. It's about the habit of selling and receiving. And what you're going to find is, even if you start with things that are like, honestly, $10, or you charge for some discovery calls, or I don't know. But what you're going to find is that that's going to open it up then to other things. So time and how we deal with time is also part of our paradigm, our use of time. I don't, you know, and it's something, it's so what has worked for me is focusing more on being present as opposed to time. So that helped me with time. And then if I'm doing something like I'm with all of you right now, I'm present with you. So I would think about ways that you can actually, so here's the thing. What if we make this a game? How can I make more money in less time? Not I need more time to make more money. How can I make more money in the time that I have? How can I make more money working 1 hour a day?